7 letters, virus that causes German measles.
Rubella.
Oh.
Frank mentioned that you were upset.
I have no intention of retiring.
No one's expecting you to.
You sure about that?
If this is about all the upgrades that Edna's making, just remember that she's just trying to do what's best for the crossing. She doesn't mean to upset you.
I guess you're right.
Look, I get it. I'm not good with change either. But sometimes it's a good thing. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't.
You sure you made the right decision, Maggie?
I've always been happiest here with you.